Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm Sanjeev Mathur from VC Events. And on behalf of VC Events, VC Group, and HRX AI, I would like to welcome Mrs. Ritika Arora, co-founder and CEO of Mana Wellness, who has been a prominent speaker in this session today. We would like to understand from her growth journey so far in her life to start.
Sure. So I started my career with Apollo Hospitals, and then I realized that I don't want to work in hospital. I had a passion to work in well-being, so I quickly moved into well-being, and I started a diagnostic marketplace with the name Labs Advisor. And then this is my second startup called Mana Wellness, and currently we are building emotionally healthy workplace along with my co-founder Dr. Ashwin Nayak.
And you being a speaker at this privileged event, I would like to understand your growth journey so far, for us to know.
Glad to connect with you, Ms. Sanjeev. I started my career with Apollo Hospitals, and then I realized that I would like to build something outside the hospital walls, and there my well-being journey started. I, uh, I started a diagnostic marketplace with two of my friends, which was acquired by Empire, and this is my second startup, Mana Wellness, and we are on a mission to build emotionally healthy workplaces along with my co-founder, Dr. Ashwin.
Okay. And how old is this company?
We have just completed 5 years on 13 Feb.
Oh, recently.
Yes.
Okay. So fairly new setup and a new challenge.
Yeah.
How is your organization preparing HR teams to be future ready in the digital era?
So as I mentioned that the problems or the challenges HR know, we help them to prioritize the challenge which they want to work on, where our well-being framework can help employees to become more happy. As we have learned in the event, that most of the HR leaders were saying that they look forward for happier workforce.
Right.
So we help organizations to have that happier workforce.
Okay.
So that is the main thing what we do in one line.
And what impact do you think generative AI will have on workforce planning for skill development?
So when it comes to workforce planning, and as we know that HR leaders and HR BP, business partners, managers, etc., recruiters, they are swamped with work. Like they, as we were also listening in the event, that they have to scan through 1,000 CVs to select the right talent.
Correct.
And once generative AI will start doing this work, our HR leader will have more time, and then they would be able to spend that time into their well-being, and they will become more productive as a HR team. They would be able to hire like best talent, and they would also be able to focus on strategic HR.
So in that way, what we are trying to say is that the isolation of resumes and the work that the HR team is currently devoting to select the right candidate in terms of hiring can be some part of activity which an AI can work on and can now help the HR managers for qualitative work.
Yes.
Right? So what does future ready HR mean to you in the context of blockchain, digital transformation, and
So I believe future ready HR means to me that if they are able to provide employees choice, as we have also listened in the event, that it's not about like a piecemeal approach. If we can bring it like a full approach, wherein like it is about like we can train employees to think in this front, that how AI can be assistant to them rather than just taking out one task, etc. If they AI agents can be trained to become their assistants, and then they can free up their time. So,
Okay.
in that way, they would be able to help the organization. They would be more productive, and they would be like HR in return would be able to bring in more productivity in the organization, and similarly they would also be able to show the impact of AI on like productive and happier workforce.
So ideally speaking, the HR team now constantly needs to work on new strategies, new tools, groom themselves, take trainings, and subsequently be amongst the decision makers for the organization. Does that not increase too much workload on HR?
No, I beg to differ from you here. I don't think HR needs to do more trainings or HR needs to bring in more tools. That work can be taken up by the AI. But what I believe is HR should focus more on human connections. Because once they, all the routine and monotonous work can be taken by the AI, whether it's screening interviews, doing attendance, marking attendance, etc. There is a payroll. So there are hundreds of routine tasks which HR does. So all that can be taken by AI. But
Okay.
when it comes to understanding humans, forming connections, that
Skill
can be
development and all can be
Yeah.
done by the.
and for that they don't require training. They are already trained for the same.
Now, how has been the response to the event? Is my last question. And any takeaways from this event?
Yeah. So I think I have a lot of key takeaways from the event. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, HRXAI, as well as VC Events for organizing such a fantastic event in Noida. Because we always miss there are mostly events in Gurgaon and Delhi. This is first of its kind in Noida, and it's a high quality and on a topic which is very relevant to the HR leaders as well as wellness leaders. So that is, I would like to compliment the team. And
Thank you so much.
they had a good lineup of speakers, and we had certain like-minded people. We would be able to connect later also. So it's a like-minded community which we have formed here. And in terms of insights, there were good insights, case study, and especially I like the master class by
Sudhanshu.
Dr. Sudhanshu. And I think I am taking the slogan AI or die.
Ah, that is something that everybody is talking of today.
Yes.
That was very nicely said, very
And
nicely
the other
presented.
slogan that if you need to have happy cows to produce more milk.
Right. On that note, I would like to compliment you for your session. And then on behalf of VC Group, I would like to thank you for your precious time. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjeev. Nice
Thank you.
talking to you.
Thank you, ma'am.